Welcome to the future. Here I have an AI girlfriend and an AI-powered DJI drone, which I'm going to attempt to fly using my Quest headset. The DJI Neo drone is designed to connect over Wi-Fi to your smartphone, but I have downloaded the DJI Fly app directly to my Quest headset, and let's see if the drone will connect to the headset instead. We can instantly see the live camera view. Hello. And I have moved to a shade because Quest tracking just works better in a shade. And here I'm flying my AI drone on my Quest headset. I can use screen controls to move the drone further or closer. Or I can simply walk and the drone will follow. I can land the drone and preview the captured video. And wow, the camera quality does look really good, at least on the Quest. I can grab the preview window and carry it with me, and the drone will follow. Aren't we living in a future? It's like my virtual girlfriend finally can be useful and help shooting my new YouTube videos. Except when she drops the drone on a first flight and breaks the camera gimbal. You see, left side is higher than the right now. And it seems like a very common problem. Multiple users already reporting on the issue, but lightly pushing the stuck side up, I got the gimbal back into the original position. And I would recommend not using the palm to land the drone, just grab it by the pussy. It works every time and it is much safer for a drone. So thanks for watching and subscribe if you want to see me flying an analog micro-whoop drone from the beta FPV on my Quest headset in the next video.